Hello everyone, welcome back to Noble Nest Gardens, grow beautifully at home. If you love plants and want a greener, healthier garden, today's video is special for you. I'm sharing some gardening secret tips that professional gardeners use to grow strong, healthy, and beautiful plants at home. Let's get started. Tip number 1: healthy soil is everything. The biggest gardening secret is not fertilizer, it's healthy soil. Before planting anything, mix garden soil, compost, like kitchen waste compost or vermicompost, a little sand for drainage. This improves airflow and helps roots grow faster. Remember, strong roots, strong plants. Tip number 2: water deep, not daily. Most beginners make one big mistake: watering every day. Instead, water deeply but less frequently. Let the top layer of soil dry before watering again. This encourages roots to grow deeper and makes plants stronger and drought resistant. Tip number 3: morning sun is gold. Plants love sunlight, but timing matters. Morning sunlight is gentle and perfect for growth. If you're gardening in India or warm climates, protect plants from harsh afternoon heat. Balcony tip: rotate your pots every week so all sides get equal sunlight. Tip number 4: use kitchen waste as natural fertilizer. Don't throw away banana peels, tea leaves, vegetable peels. Dry and crush banana peels for potassium boost. Use tea leaves, improve soil texture. This is natural, chemical-free, and budget-friendly. Tip number 5: pruning makes plants bushier. Don't be afraid to trim your plants. Regular pruning encourages new growth, makes plants bushier, prevents disease. For herbs like basil or mint, pinch the top leaves regularly. Tip number 6: companion planting trick. Some plants grow better together. For example, tomatoes grow well near basil. Mint helps repel pests. This natural method keeps your garden healthy without chemicals. Tip number 7: talk to your plants. It may sound funny, but observing your plants daily is important. Check leaves, soil moisture, and growth. Early detection of problems saves your plants. Gardening is not just growing plants, it's building a connection with nature. These were my top gardening secret tips to help you grow beautifully at home. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, comment your favorite gardening tip, subscribe to Noble Nest Gardens for more gardening secrets and plant care guides. See you in the next video. Happy gardening!